Crispy chicken popcorn in an orange sauce. Let's do it. For the coating, just mix together all-purpose flour and corn flour. In a separate plate, add an egg to the chicken cubes and season with salt. Mix and then drop the chicken into the flour. Coat it well and then deep fry for 3 to 4 minutes until golden brown and crispy. Heat oil in a separate pot and then add some chopped ginger and garlic. Give it a stir and then squeeze in some oranges and then add soy sauce, some vinegar, chili flakes, honey, and black pepper. Stir and then pour in some cornstarch mixed with water to thicken the sauce. Next, throw in the crispy chicken popcorn and coat it with all the orange goodness. Wash the Daawat Deli Basmati rice and then add it to a pot of water. Let it come to a boil and then reduce the heat, cover and cook for about 12 to 15 minutes. Fluff it up and then serve with the orange chicken. Garnish with some chives and enjoy.